So I realized that ORS is doing something that I think other providers could learn from or should learn from in the medical community, but in all services that we provide, which is that entrenching yourself in that community first, showing up, being a face and a name and a brand that's values first before you invite someone through your doors is so important, especially when you're a medical provider. I think that when people are managing something in their body, if there's an injury or a sickness or a trauma, that's emotional enough. But when you add to it, having to form brand new relationships and trusting providers to touch your body and talk to you about how you should treat your body, that can be really scary. So what ORS is doing is putting this effort towards having their providers out in the community, meeting people, being a face, showing up at volunteer events, just being available, being around, so that when their patients come in for the first time, they already know those spaces. It's more familiar, it's not as intimidating, and I hope that, as the Meridian Township community, as the Greater Lansing community, that becomes sort of an industry standard, that we're not just for the first time trusting professionals we've been rep for when we go in their office, but that we already know them and already know who they are and know what to expect when we walk in.